tired.
Let's go on a record and say trading places was a bad idea.
Welcome back to Road Notes. So today is the second in our series of trading places, and this is the episode where Mark is going to take care of everything in the inside of the RV, prepping for move. Let's just say that it started out okay and then took a twist.
Okay, since Leslie and I are trading places, I'm going to be in charge of cleaning up the inside. So Leslie does it one way, and I'm going to try to do it a little differently to see how that works out. So let's get to it.
This and this and you know. Okay, so in here, typically what went under here were things like this. All this stuff. Yep. This basket should probably be okay.
This one should be okay.
And this I could put someplace else. So. Where your shoes are all at, check your cabinet. No? Open the cabinet. You gotta make sure that the things are secured.
Oh, gotcha.
These have to be secured. The refrigerator has to be secured.
Right.
Where's the second one?
Okay, apparently I missed one item in the shower. Two items in the shower.
It's okay. And then
it's okay, she says.
Everything's
closed. Well, I wasn't done with the closet, any doors yet.
Okay.
Doors is my last thing.
This is all good. You unplug that. Everything's up. Those are closed.
Okay, so all the loose items we have in the RV are now stored back in the master bathroom and in the shower, behind the shower door, which leaves us the front to travel with and also the bed.
It's over here. It's not getting that late, dear. You're all right.
Okay, so we're checking interior checklist. Let's see, the bed is in the upright position, hooks are in, remove the front table, shower door's locked, bathroom items secure. Okay, we're on our way. No. Oh my God.
As soon as I heard it.
Oh man.
It's alright, we can fix it.
Oh no. My fault. Put the vacuum where it shouldn't be, and it hit the slide on its way in and messed up the night table.
It's alright, it's a piece of wood, it can go back. So, as you can see, this is still intact, but it's separated this whole piece from the bottom up. It's a little hard to see here, but and then this is a little bit wiggly now, so it's going to need a little reinforcement. Well, as you can see, we had a minor glitch. So the good news is the incident didn't affect any of the mechanism of the slide. It's basically a piece of wood that got cracked and just needs an L bracket to put it back together. So we'll get that taken care of, and it doesn't affect the integrity of the nightstand or the slide. The bad news is Mark pretty much gave up and called it off after that. So I will be maintaining the inside moving forward, but I am still going to learn the exterior in more depth. And he said that, you know, down the line he might be willing to give it another try. We'll see. So we thank you for watching. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, do all those things. You know I never know what I'm supposed to say, and we'll see you next week. Thanks.